The iPhone 6 Charging Port Replacement Guide. Fix your broken iPad with parts from DirectFix.com. Use coupon code YT7 and save 7% off your next order at DirectFix.com. Please read this warning thoroughly before attempting to repair your device. Begin by completely powering off your device and removing the SIM card. Using a pentalobe screwdriver, remove the two pentalobe screws at the bottom of your device. Place the suction cup near the bottom portion of the screen and carefully lift up. With a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws shown in the red circles. Carefully disconnect the screen assembly from the motherboard. Remove two screws and the shield covering the battery and charge port connectors. Disconnect the battery and remove from the frame. You can now disconnect the charge port ribbon as well as the antenna cable. You can now remove the vibrator. Now remove the screws shown in the red circles in order to remove the loudspeaker. Now carefully remove the antenna cable from the loudspeaker in order to completely uninstall it. Remove the screws shown in the red circles in order to uninstall the charge port. You can now place your replacement charge port into the frame. Now secure the charge port with screws shown in the red circles. You can now secure the loudspeaker with screws shown in the red circles. Now install the vibrator. Connect the antenna cable as well as the charge port ribbon to the motherboard. You can now reinstall your battery. And secure the battery and charge port connectors with a shield and 2 screws. Now plug your screen assembly back into the motherboard. Secure the screen assembly with a shield and the screws shown in the red circles. Place 2 pentalobe screws at the bottom of your phone. Like, comment, and subscribe for more repair videos from DirectFix. For all your cell phone parts, accessories, and service needs, go to directfix.com now.